We all know a vacant property is an owner's worst nightmare. Today we're going to talk about getting your property leased quickly. Hi, I'm Stephanie with Specialized Property Management. The first thing you're going to want to do to get your property leased quickly is make it move-in ready. Items that you can do to make sure that this happens are making sure your property is clean, fresh inside, and debris-free. Curb appeal is the next thing you'll need to take care of. First impressions are everything. You'll want to make sure that your lawn is mowed regularly and landscape is tended to. You want to make the home inviting. Next, you're going to want to get the property professionally and very thoroughly cleaned. This allows prospects to envision themselves in your property. Another item is to check the market rent rates in your area. You'll want to be sure that your property is competitively priced. An overpriced property will not lease, regardless of the amenities. Another item is to consider accepting pets. We all know pets are family. If you don't allow them, they will bring them anyway. You'll also want to market your home aggressively. Get it out there so prospects can find your property easily. Social media, online websites, or just to name a few. Also, be sure you're frequently visiting the property during vacancy. This allows you to freshen it up, tend to any needed items, and just make sure that it is move-in ready at all times. And a final tip is to respond quickly to all inquiries. If they call or email, they are interested in your home. Don't let that interest die down. Also, be available for showings on their schedule. Make it easy for them. Thank you for your attention today, and if you have any questions, please feel free to call us.